Exercise 5.2, Sum fifth. Find the reciprocal of the following exponential form. We have to find the reciprocal. Minus 2 by 9 raised to power 3 is given, and we know that in reciprocal numerator became denominator and denominator became numerator. Minus 2 by 9 will become minus 9 by 2 raised to power 3. Reciprocal is minus 9 by 2 raised to power 3. B part is given 25 by 5 raised to power 4. Firstly, we will make factors 5. 25, 5 5s are 25. 5 raised to power 4 is given. 5 raised to power 2, 5 raised to power 4. In divide, powers will be subtracted. We will get 5 raised to power minus 2. 5 raised to power minus 2, we know that when the power is negative, it will be 1 by 5 raised to power 2. And when we will take its reciprocal, it will be 5 raised to power 2. C part, 3 raised to power 4 and 5 divided with 3 raised to power 2 and 4. Firstly, we will use our laws. When two powers are given, they will be multiplied. 5 4s are 20 divided with 3 raised to power 8. In divide, base are same, parts will be subtracted. 3 raised to power 20 minus 8 is equal to 3 raised to power 12. Now, we will take reciprocal of 3 raised to power 12. It will be 1 by 3 raised to power 12. Now, sixth sum. Find the value of the x in the following equations. We have given equation and we have to find the value of x. First sum is minus 15 by 8 raised to power 2x is equal to minus 15 by 8 raised to power 3. First sum, minus 15 by 8 raised to power 2x is equal to minus 15 by 8 raised to power 3. And we have to find the value of x. If the base are same in equality, then the powers will also equal. Base is same, now powers will be equal. 2x is equal to 3. X is equal to 2 is in multiply. When we shift it to the right side, it will be divide. It will become 3 by 2. Okay. B part, 3 by 4 raised to power x is equal to 6561 upon 65536. 3 by 4 raised to power 2 and 4. So we have to find the value of x. Firstly, if we have to find the value of x, we have to make the base same. In this we can see 3 by 4 is given in left side. In right side also 3 by 4 is given, but this number is given with this. So firstly, we will make factors of this number. We will make factors. Six 5 6 1. In which table it will be divided? It will be divided on the table of 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24, 3 7s are 21. Again on 3, 3 7s are 21, 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 27. Again on 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Again on 3, 8 3s are 81, 27, 9, 3, 3, 3, 1. Now, factors of denominator. 6 5 5 3 6. We will divide it on the table of 4 because we have to make 3 by 4 as base. 4 1s are 4, 6 4s are 24, 4 3s are 12, 8 4s are 32, 4 4s are 16. Again on 4, 4 4s are 16, 0, 9 4s are 36, 4 6s are 24. Again on 4, 4 1s are 4, 0, then 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16. Again on 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24. Again on 4, 4 6s are 24, 4 4s are 16. Again on 4, 16, 4 4 and 1. Now we will count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 3 came 8 times. We will write 3 by 4 raised to power x is equal to 3 raised to power 8 divided with how many times 4 came? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 4 also came 8 times. And we have given 3 by 4 raised to power 2 and 8. Now it will multiply. It will become 3 raised to power 8. Now 3 by 4 raised to power x is equal to, we can write it 3 by 4 raised to power 8, 3 by 4 raised to power 8. It will be in multiply, and we know that in multiply, if the base are same powers will be added. 3 by 4, 8 plus 8. 3 by 4 raised to power x as it is, 3 by 4 raised to power 16. Now base are same now, in equality. Base are same, then powers will be equal. X is equal to 16 is our answer.